Hello, welcome to final exam week at Henry Ford for the winter 2021 semester. I wanted to just give you a few bits of information about this week and the final exam that you'll be taking for this class. So the final exam that you're going to take is actually just a regular exam. It is not cumulative. It covers the final 5 chapters that we've discussed this semester. So that would include Chapter 12, which is State and Local Relations, Chapter 13, Taxing and Spending, Chapter 14, Economic Development Policy, Chapter 15, Education Policy, and then Chapter 16, Criminal Justice Policy. The exam will be the same format as the others that you've taken this semester. It will include multiple choice and true-false questions. It will open at 9 a.m. on Monday, May 3rd. And it is due at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, May 6th. As usual, you can take the exam twice, and I will count your higher grade. You don't have to take it twice, but if you do, I will count the highest of the 2 scores. Both attempts have to be completed by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday night, the 6th. There will be 70 questions, multiple choice and true-false, and you will have 90 minutes to answer those questions. In the folder on the homepage for the exam, or on the homepage for the class where I put the exam, you will find a review sheet for it, similar to the ones I've given you for the other exams. So kind of make sure you review that before you attempt the exam next week. Once you are finished with this, you will be finished with the class. There are no other assignments due. I will be working on final grades next Friday after everybody has taken the exam, and the grades will be based on the point system that you find in the syllabus. And I believe it may be a little bit different because there was one assignment that I did not give, one discussion board. So if you have any questions about your grade, please let me know. The grade that you see in Moodle should be accurate right now as of the beginning of finals. I've graded all the discussion boards, all the critical thinking, and then your other 2 exams. So the only thing you have left is the exam that you're going to take next week. So if you have, and then again, everything will be based on the points, and then I will submit grades probably next Friday. They're due by the Monday after that. But I try to get them done on the Friday, which would be, I guess it's May 7th is the date that I'll be doing grades. So your exam's due on Thursday night, May 6th, and I'll be doing grades on May 7th. I do not email out individual grades to students. It just gets to be too much to try to do that for every student because I teach multiple sections of my classes. But if you have any questions about the grading process, please let me know. And also, if you have, after you see your grade online, final grade of the class, please let me know if you have any questions. One thing to understand is that the grade in Moodle is not your final grade because remember, it does have to include the final exam, and I will submit it through what's called student self-service, which is the system that you use for registration and for many other things you do at Henry Ford. All right. So again, make sure you do take the exam. It opens Monday morning, May 3rd, and then it closes on Thursday night, May 6th. And it is the final assignment you have for the class. And then I'll be finalizing grades next Friday, May 7th. I've enjoyed the semester. If you're ever on the main campus after we reopen, right now we're still kind of off, but once we're back on campus, if you have any questions or want to meet me in person, I'd love to meet. I love meeting my online students in person. I don't get to do that very often. My office is in the campus safety building on the main campus, but I haven't been there in a year because of that pandemic. So, but eventually we will be back, and I would look forward to meeting you in person if that happens. So. Have a great summer, and again, feel free to contact me if you have questions. Also, one last thing, make sure if you have not done it yet that you fill out the online course evaluation. You should have received an email about it a couple weeks ago. It's an anonymous evaluation of the class and my instruction. And I do welcome students' constructive comments about the class. It does help me as I plan for the future. So please do that if you haven't done that already, and take care.